Hello students and friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today we are going to discuss about the Fourier series problems. So Fourier series problems, you will see it will be a long problem and little complicated. But you have to understand according to the situation, according to the steps. Steps you have to understand. So lot of steps will be there. So what is the basic things first here? What basic things you have to concentrate? So listen here. Fx equal to a0 by 2 in summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx, n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. This is the functions of the Fourier series, where a0, an, bn are the Fourier coefficient. So this only Fourier coefficient we have to find out, that we have to integrate. So before this we know some little concept also required here. Sin nx will come 0 and cos nx will come minus 1 power n. Minus 1 power n will come. So okay. So now one more thing. Suppose function is even function. How we will know the function is even? If substitute minus x equal to fx will come. Given fx function, if you substitute minus x, that again coming same functions is coming fx. That function is known as even function. That function is known as even functions. If even functions will be there, directly bn will be 0. Fourier coefficient, this bn will be 0. No need to calculate this term. So that case, this is the function fx a0 n will be our solution. If function minus fx equal to coming minus fx, that is called odd function. That is called odd function. So here a0 and an will come 0. So that means only we have to find out fx equal to this part only. So if even and odd functions coming, generally if they will come 10 marks or 6 marks question, sometimes if coming even functions you are checking, you can avoid. Suppose even bn you can avoid, odd function a0 an avoid. So easily you can solve in simple steps and problem will be little shorter. So okay, this is the first you have to concentrate. Now another formula is there, uv. Integrate uv, u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 plus u triple dash v3. Then what is u? U is differentiation. U is differentiation and v is integration. V will be the integration. Okay, v will be the integration. So we'll start the problem and will in between steps I will explain lot of basic things. Okay, so this you have to remember, odd function and even function I wrote here also. So this now I will rub it. Now what is the Fourier coefficient? Solutions now. Solutions. A0 first. What is A0? 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx dx. Fx dx. This is the fx dx. This is the a0. Now what is fx here? Pi minus x. We will substitute here. So 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx, what is there? Pi minus x whole square dx. Pi minus x whole square dx. Now this you have to integrate. So before this integrations formula also you should know. Xn integrations, xn dx equal to x of power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is the integration, and x into 1, that means this is differentiation of x is 1 again. Okay, so basic, this is basic concept. Now here pi minus x is there, no? So x power, this suppose this pi minus x is x, so pi minus x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 integrations will come. So let us start here. 1 by pi, now limit, we'll write a letter pi minus x, that is x, 2 plus 1, 3 by 3, 2 plus 1. Then differentiation of pi minus x. So if differentiation of pi minus x, what will come? 0 minus 1. So finally minus 1. So what will come finally? Minus 1. So write here minus 3. Or you can write minus 1 for your understanding. Okay. Write minus 1. How minus 1 come? Because we again after integrating pi minus x again differentiate. So 0 minus 1. So minus 1. Limit minus pi to pi. So how we'll apply the limit? Now you look here. Suppose this is function of x. What is this? Function of x a comma b. That is a up lower limit, upper limit. Then what is the limit? How you will apply? fb minus fa. So that means upper limit minus lower limit we have to write. This is the function, upper limit minus lower limit you have to write. Now you apply here. So 1 by pi is there. Apply the upper limit first. So you can take 3 minus, take common. So I taken this common. What is there? Pi minus x. So pi minus pi power 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. Pi minus plus pi 3. Like this we can write. So this will become 0. This term will become 0. This term becoming 0. Now what is the remaining? What is the remaining part here? What is the remaining part here? Remaining part will be there 1 by pi minus, then this minus will get plus. So write here directly 1 by 3 pi, this minus become, so 2 pi cube, so 8 pi cube. So 1 pi, this can cancel. So what is coming? A0 is equal to, that implies A0 is equal to 8 pi square by 3. 8 pi square by 3. I know the A square. Okay. So now what we have to find out? An again. Now another Fourier coefficient, what is An? An is equal to, Ah is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx cos nx dx. This is the formula. Now what is fx here? Substitute here fx. 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx na pi minus x whole square cos nx dx. This is there. Now how to integrate? Here one algebraic expression is there, one trigonometric is there. So one formula is there, ilat inverse logarithmic algebraic trigonometric exponential. So here what is there? Algebraic, first algebraic, then trigonometric. So you will take first you will take algebraic, what is pi minus x square, and also like this terms will take differentiation. Suppose differentiating 1, 2, thrice, this terms come 0. If you will take this u, it will never come 0. How many times you will differentiate? Sine cos, one the term. So it will not come 0. It will never come 0. So that also concept. So this will come 0 after 2 or 3 different time differentiation it will come. So u dash is differentiation. U dash na 2 pi minus x power n minus 1. What is differentiation of xn? Nx n minus 1. Nx n minus 1. What is this one? Differentiation of xn. So here 2 pi minus x into pi minus x into minus 1. So what will come finally? Minus 2 pi minus x. Minus 2 pi minus x. Then u double dash minus 2 pi minus x 0 minus 1. So finally will come 2. U triple dash what will come? Constant differentiation is 0. I know now. I know this one. Now V1. Take the V1. What is V1? Integrate this cos nx. So it will come cos integration. Sine integration minus cos integration is plus. So sine nx by n. Sine nx by n. If you will go the V2 minus cos nx. Already n is there, one more n will come. So n square. Now V3 is equal to minus sine nx by n cube. This it will come continuously. So what I told, if you will take by wrongly, this is the u, this never come 0. So it will come infinity. So that means u, this islet, this formula is there, first algebraic, then trigonometric, and also this way. Now we will substitute here. We will substitute this value here. No. So an value. Now you substitute here uv value. What will be there? That implies first u What is u? Pi minus x. So integrate, I am writing directly now. So 1 by pi, what will write here? U na pi minus x whole square into v1. What is v1? Sine nx. Sine nx by n. Formula minus u dash minus and v2 also minus. So finally it will be minus here, because here also minus plus, and then formula minus, so it will be minus. So u dash what is? 2 pi minus x. These steps you have to be very careful. This, then v1 over v2. What is v2? Cos nx by n square. So see here, this also negative, both will come positive, and our formula negative is there. Next formula will be positive. U double dash 2. U v3 negative. So what will come this one? This will come negative. What is? Sine nx by n cube. Apply limit minus pi to pi. So now here see, like this terms will coming now. Wherever sine nx, this term will be 0. Where is sine nx? This term will be 0. No need to work. See here, sine nx equal to 0. So what will write here? 1 by pi. Apply the limit from here only. So what is there? Minus pi. So what will come first term? First term it will come 0. Why? Because pi minus pi 0. So this term will come 0. So write 0. So upper limit minus lower limit. What is there here? Minus 2 pi minus pi. So pi 2 pi. Here 2 pi will be there. Then cos n pi by n square. That is the terms we are getting. So minus plus again. So 1 by pi 4 pi minus 1 power n by n square. Why this I wrote cos n pi is equal to minus 1 power n, and n square is there. So this we got what is? an. What we got this one? An. Okay, one more steps you can write here, or directly you can cancel here, or write one more steps, pi get cancel. So 4 minus 1 power n by n square. This is the final an we got. What we got? This is an. So check the result is there only n square. Now if we'll find bn, we'll substitute this format and we'll get the answers. Okay. So this up to this we got an. So an equal to. Now we'll go I'll rub it from here. First a0. This differentiation integration formula already you know. Then bn equal to. So bn is equal to what is formula again? Bn is equal to same 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx. Now here sine nx dx. So we will write here 1 by pi minus pi to pi. See, problems will be very long. But if you will go the steps, keep patience and solve this question. So pi minus x, these questions always coming, because integral three coefficient you have to calculate. No, so generally this questions is coming always. So fx sine nx dx I wrote. Now already u term is there. If v1, v2 will be different here. If you will calculate, no. So for this, what is the v1? I will write it this also. Okay, I will write it this also. We'll keep it the an will keep there. So we'll substitute one time formula. We'll get the answer. So an I kept. Now here see, if you write here for next question, this is the for an. Now bn, if you writing here for bn, what is the v is equal to here? Sine nx. So v1 is equal to minus cos nx by n. v2 is equal to minus sine nx by n square. v3 will be there. No, triple dash v3 will not come. So not required, because u double dash 2, u triple dash V3 is not required. Okay. So now come next steps. 1 by pi minus pi to pi. Again u. Now integrating terms. Once you are writing integration, no, these terms will not, symbols will not be there. Now I am integrating pi minus x u, no. So write u. Pi minus x whole square u into v1. What is v1? Minus. So here minus cos nx by n. Formula minus. U dash also minus and v3 too also minus. So this will be finally minus. So 2 pi minus x v2. What is v2? Minus, already minus plus sine nx by n square. Then u double dash v3. U double dash how much? 2. So for this is plus, but this is minus. So finally this will come minus 2 into sine n pi by n square. Check it. Sine v1 cos v2 again sine. So v3 not there. Okay. So now we got this term sine n pi by, so minus pi by pi. So once we'll check this. So what is coming? Pi minus x cos nx by n minus 2 pi, correct, sine nx by n. Then this is cos v3 is equal to v1, v is equal to sine x, v is equal to sine nx, v1 is equal to cos nx, v2 is equal to minus sine nx by n square. What is the problem here? Cos v1 is cos nx by n, correct. v2 is equal to sine nx by n square, v3 is equal to, so u double dash v3, correct. So we have to calculate v3 also. What is v3 here? Minus plus cos nx by n cube. Cos nx by v3 is not visible. So see here v3 what is? Sine minus, so minus plus cos nx by n cube. Cos nx by n cube. So here what is you wrote? U v1, u dash v2, u double dash v3. So u double dash 2 into v3. So u double dash v3 what is? Cos nx by n cube. Now correct. So u v1, u dash v2 plus. So minus. Why minus? Because v3 will be plus. So this will be plus only. Okay. So now clear. Now is it okay? Now apply the limit. So this part only you have to careful. Mistakes coming here only. So 1 by pi. Now look, pi if we'll substitute here, this will get, first of all sine, this will terms will go 0. Make it 0. No need to calculate this. Okay. Now upper limit apply. Here what will be the pi minus pi. So this terms also will be 0. Then lower this here plus 2. This is 0 plus 2 cos n pi by n cube. Upper limit over. Now lower limit minus. So here minus already there. Pi and minus plus pi. So square cos nx by n. This already 0 plus what is 2 cos n pi by n cube. N pi by n cube. Nx, so n pi by n cube. Okay. So okay. So n pi by n cube. Now we have to solve. So we'll get the bn. So you see here 2 cos n pi by n3 and 2 pi by cos n3. So this is the minus circle. No? So this will be the minus. So write one more time. See this minus plus, it will get cancelled. So here 2 cos n pi by n cube minus plus. So this will plus 2 in power 4 pi square 4 pi square cos nx n pi. This is what we substitute value, no? N pi by n. This will come minus 2 cos n pi by n cube. So I think this and this will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. What is that? 1 by pi. So 4 pi. This is called bn is coming, no? 4 pi cos minus 1 by n by n. What is this one? Now we got the bn. We will check the answers. It is coming same thing. 4 pi minus n power n. So this is the bn. So you have to carefully like this, you have to calculate. See this, how much complication is there. Now what we'll do? Substitute in this equation number 1, you will get the answer. If substitute a0, a and bn, I will substitute somewhere, okay? I will rub it these problems now and will substitute here itself. So you will get what is a0, 8 pi square by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. What will write here? Result directly I am writing. What is there here? 4 minus 1 power n. 4 minus 1 power n by n square. What is there? Cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn. What is there bn? 4 pi by n minus 1 power n sine nx. This is the expression. This is the answer for this fx equal to. So this is the answer for this. So correct only. So okay, 4 pi. So what you have to do? Carefully you watch this part and substitute there. Once you are applying the limit, each step see. First sign terms where will come? Make the 0. Then carefully you substitute this all value, negative, positive you see, you will get the answer. Or better, 2 times you have to practice like this question. Once, one time you will practice, again second time you will practice, now you will never do that mistakes, okay? Okay students, thank you. Watch the video from beginning to end, then only you will understand, okay? Thank you students. Subscribe the channel, okay? Thank you.